It looks cool.
Hey.
Shalom. Hey, bubbles. Oh.
Gee, thanks. Anyways, so we've been watching, I've been watching Connor Franta like a lot lately. He's your favorite YouTuber. And I just showed her some of his videos, and so we decided to make a video in his honor called the 10 Annoying Sounds, in no particular order. Katie? Sound number 1, bird whistle, which she has gotten at the Festival of Nations.
Bend. Okay. You fill it with water, and it sounds really cool.
Just make the noise. It's annoying. Put it. Just put it away.
One time I
just put it away. Put it away. Put it away. No. Sound number 2. Duck whistle.
Quack, duck, quack. It is a duck quack.
Just make the sound. We get it. You just need to do it well.
She's so mean to me.
Yeah. Number 3. This is it.
Number 3.
Number 3. Clicky pens.
You're supposed to use your thumb.
So annoying. Especially in class when you're trying to listen and people just don't get that.
You sound so
weird. Number 4. This is Katie's special. High-pitched squeal.
It is a screech.
Screech.
Oh. Don't know how I do it.
No one knows. Okay. Number 5.
Don't hurt her again. She is carrying child head.
Number 5. Pencil tapping with the stupid... I don't even know how they do it. It's so annoying.
Okay. I'm not very good. Some people do the whole thing and it sounds cool.
But not when it's quiet and you're trying to learn stuff.
No, not if they're bad. They're just like
you. Please stop.
Yeah, that's why I don't do it in public, because I suck.
Number 6, knuckle cracking.
Oh, that wasn't loud. I just did it 2 minutes ago. It's not working.
Number 7, rattling change.
We're gonna say change. Or chains.
Ugh!
That sounds never cool.
It's annoying. Number 8.
Number 8? Really?
Number 8.
8?
This is 8.
This is 8.
Okay. Apparently it's screeching again.
No, yours was the squeal. You didn't do that last time.
Oh. Eeps. What's my squeal?
You were like, I don't know. You did a squeal and you're like, oh, I could put that on the list.
I don't think I can do it again. Oops. That's an annoying laugh. Look, there's number 8. Okay, number 9.
I think I have a more annoying laugh.
Number 9 is our beautiful singing from Dumb Ways to Die from that amazing Metro.
They used it in a commercial. I don't think they actually made it.
It's amazing.
Oh, I need my banjo.
6, 7. Suck it up. Ready? And 1, 2, 3. You're supposed to start. I was waiting for you to do that.
So what if I started singing? Would you just ditch me?
Well, I had a feeling you're not gonna sing, so
Set fire to your hair.
I don't know these words. Just do the chorus. This is the only words I know. Dumb ways to die. So many dumb ways to die. Dumb ways to die. I didn't even do that.
Yeah, you did.
How?
You pushed me back.
I did this?
No,
This is not classified as pushing you back.
Stop moving your hands.
Katie is now officially a liar and makes stuff up. Don't trust her. Number 10. Do your grass thingy.
Grand slam.
Just do your grass thingy.
Hey, it actually kind of sounded like a duck that time. Now I can't do it.
It pains me. It really pains me. Oh.
Oh, you know what?
No. Dumb ways to die. So many dumb ways to die. Dumb ways to die.
You peed on me.
What's going on in here?
You peed on me.
She's being mean.
I thought I heard a screaming elephant or something.
Screaming elephant. That was my grass.
Well, that's what I figured. I couldn't tell what it was at first.
A screaming elephant. Or elephant.